Liquid trees, the green solution of the future? Introduction. Welcome to this space where, on this occasion, we explore the innovations that are transforming our world. Today we will dive into a fascinating proposal that promises to revolutionize the way we clean the air in our cities: liquid trees. In this episode, we will discover what exactly liquid trees are and how they work. We will explore their history, from their initial inspirations to the pioneering projects that are already underway. We will analyze in depth their development, highlighting the key role of microalgae and their surprising efficiency. We will also discuss the future of this technology, its potential to integrate into the urban landscape, and its role in building more sustainable cities. Finally, we will close with a reflection on the real impact of liquid trees and how they complement other solutions to combat pollution. So join me on this journey to discover if liquid trees are really the breath of biotechnological hope that our cities need. Segment 1. What are liquid trees? In the relentless asphalt of big cities, air pollution is a growing problem. But what if we could complement traditional afforestation efforts with an innovative technology? This is where liquid trees come into play. Although their name suggests a similarity to the trees we know, their design is more like luminous fish tanks. However, inside they harbor a powerful ally in the fight against carbon dioxide: microalgae. These unicellular microorganisms perform photosynthesis, absorbing CO2 and releasing oxygen in a very similar way to plants. History and origin. The idea of using aquatic organisms to purify the air is not entirely new, but their materialization in these urban structures is a more recent development. In 2007, geophysics professor Klaus Lackner designed a synthetic tree capable of absorbing carbon dioxide, inspired by his daughter's school project. This was an important precedent. However, the specific concept of liquid tree as we know it today has its origin in the Multidisciplinary Research Institute of the University of Belgrade, Serbia, with the Liquid 3 project. This project was born as a sustainable alternative for cities with little space or high pollution, where planting traditional trees is difficult. Development and operation. Liquid trees, also known as biosculptures or urban photobioreactors, are essentially facilities for the massive cultivation of microalgae. And here is the key to their potential: their efficiency. It is estimated that microalgae in these systems can be between 10 and 50 times more efficient in carbon capture than a traditional tree. In fact, it is said that each liquid tree unit can have the same purification power as 20 young trees. This high efficiency is due to their rapid growth and high photosynthetic rate. Design and maintenance. The design of liquid trees can vary. The Serbian prototype Liquid 3, for example, has the shape of a green luminous container and can include additional elements such as a bench, USB solar chargers, and night lighting. The Argentine Y-Algae also has a structure that houses the pond with microalgae. Regarding maintenance, good news. It is considered low cost. It is only necessary to remove the biomass generated by the algae and replenish the water and nutrients approximately every month and a half. And best of all, the resulting biomass can be used as fertilizer. However, some experts warn about the need for continuous renewal of the culture media and the possible contamination of the bioreactors. It is also pointed out that some construction materials may not be entirely sustainable. The future of liquid trees. It is important to emphasize that liquid trees do not seek to replace natural forests, which have a much broader ecosystemic value. Rather, they are presented as an effective and sustainable alternative for urban spaces where planting trees is difficult, such as concrete surfaces. They are especially useful in areas with high pollution, where traditional trees have difficulty surviving. The future that is envisioned is one in which liquid trees are integrated into the new urban afforestation. Imagine these structures in squares, parks, street corners, avenues, near bus stops, and shopping centers. Their use is even being considered indoors to improve air quality and reduce the spread of germs. And there is the possibility of connecting them to a wireless network to monitor pollution in real time. Conclusion: a complement, not a unique solution. While liquid trees are a promising tool, it is crucial to understand that they are a complement, not a substitute, to address the climate emergency and urban pollution. Like other green innovations, they add to efforts, but the real solution requires a profound transformation in the way we design our cities, produce and consume energy, reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and stopping deforestation. Conclusion. Liquid trees represent an exciting convergence between biotechnology and urban design, offering a localized and efficient strategy to combat air pollution.